guys, what's up? It's Kirs. So today, ang buhaton karon is i-reveal an EG. Actually, we bought another block. Yeah, which is the B20 block. Actually guys, yung previous na engine ani is the B16A, but naman slight problem actually. So the problem guys was that naay mga taya gikanan sa tubig. So yeah, you should use coolant or at least like distilled water. When we went to the machine shop, ang giingon nila is naay mga kinanan sa ano may term.
Oh my God!
What's up? So today I am going to staging lines because mag-dyno mi sa EG. So that is one of the reason why I don't like to drive when it's so fucking traffic. Kay mas stress ko. Anyways, padong ko sa staging and we are going to dyno the not the SIR, but the EG. B20 Eg. So let's go. Okay guys, so we are already here at staging lines. So ilan ang napasudaan. What's up, Sponge Bro? Guys, so today kaya ako na i-dyno ang EG. I'm so sorry, it's super duper loud here. Taba kayo sa kanan, but yeah, everything is basically set up na. Mana siya change oil and everything yesterday. I'm sorry I wasn't able to film that one, but yes, today is the day that we are going to dyno this baby. so far is 190. Our max power so far is 190. They're trying to replace the spark plugs.
We changed the plugs because it was starting to misfire, and then the new plugs, we're also reading it, the combustion, if it's rich or lean, spark plug reading.
Okay.